So welcome everyone, we're Group 7. In this demo sections, we'll walk through our final MVP and what we have achieved. I'm Long. I'll start with the project objectives and how we measure success. We will then cover the scope and limitations of the project, and finally, Kwai and Wing will run the product demonstration and show the end-to-end output. On this slide are our project objectives. We aim to make short-form ad creation significantly faster by automating the core steps, take a product URL or manually enter product details, then generate a structure with hook, problem, solution, call to action, script with tone control, and output a 5 to 6 second vertical MP4 ready for TikTok and Instagram Reels. To deliver that, we focus on 3 concrete outcomes: product info ingestion using a URL scraper with manual fallback, script generation with editing, and AI video generation with one-click download and retries. Success was measured by clear targets, under 5 minutes for average generation time, above 80% of the successful jobs, and platform-compatible output, 9:16 aspect ratio, at least 30 fps, and at least 720p resolution, so creators can publish quickly and iterate more often. The overall impact is reducing creation time from hours to minutes, so small merchants can iterate faster and run more frequent creative tests. Next, we will talk about the project.
So now I'm going to talk about the scope of this project. So it covers the full pipeline from input to output. Users can either provide a product page URL or manually enter product information, which is then transformed into a 5 to 10 second video advertisement, which is suitable for platforms such as TikTok and Instagram Reels. Within the MVP scope, the system generates a structured advertisement script using AI, produces the final video automatically, and manages long-running generation tasks asynchronously with clear progress tracking. About the limitations, we have several. First, automatic product data extraction is restricted to the Tiki platform, as all the major e-commerce platforms impose stricter technical or policy constraints, and manual data entry is provided as a fallback. Second, the system depends on third-party AI services for content and video generation, which introduces cost and latency constraints. And additionally, advanced video editing features such as background music, dynamic captions, or platform-specific optimization logic are explicitly excluded. And finally, the system assumes that users hold the necessary rights to the content they provide and are responsible for complying with advertising platform policies.
Hi everyone, I will demonstrate our AI-powered advertising platform. My part focus on secure authenticate system and shop management. We use WorkOS Authenticate Kit, a third-party authentication service that provides several key benefits. Enterprise-grade security with all Authenticate 2.0 and JWT tokens. It has automatic session management and token refresh. There are multiple ways to sign in. This time I chose Google to sign it. Once authenticated, WorkOS return the user to our platform. Now I will show you how shop management system. Here, users can see all the shop they are member in. The platform allow collaborative work. User can create a new shop. Join existing shop by copy the link. Now I leave the Amazon and join the shop again. Users can share the shop links with team members for collaboration. Inside each shop, user can have access to the new ad creation system by click the new ads. This part I will pass to Hua to demonstrate the pipeline.
In my part, I will talk about the ad interface and demonstrate the AI pipeline going from one product link to the final 5-second ad video. Looking at the ad interface is a pretty minimal design, focusing on efficiency and productivity. All Tiki employee can look at all the ads they created and adjust it, refine it if they want to. If they want to create a new one, they can click on this button and then select to whether they want to fill in all product information or ask AI service to do that for them. So what's happening is the Gemini AI will look into this page and summarize all of the valuable information and save them into our database. At this stage, users can further refine the information to their satisfaction and then move on to the next phase where they specify extra requirements about target audience, tones, and key benefits, which will help AI service generate a detailed plan for the final video. So this is going to take a while, therefore I'm going to take you to the database and understand what's actually happening. So here's one example. It's going from one external link that we placed in earlier, and then the Gemini AI will fetch all the necessary information like title, description, price, and images. And then we specify the target audience, tones, and key benefits. All this information will be fit into the AI service again to form a final detailed plans for the ad video, which have all the scenes like hook, problems, solution, and call to action. Each scene will have spoken lines, on-screen text, and visual hint to help the AI service know what to highlight during the 5 short second video. So the final video will be saved onto the S3 storage service, and after I download it, here is the video.
Các bạn đang biểu tình à? Sơ rối, gãy rụng, đủ cả. Kerasis cần hết.
Thank you.